Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to find old tweets on Twitter by date. If you've ever wanted to search for specific tweets from a particular time period, this step-by-step guide will help you do just that. Let's get started. First, open the Twitter app, or X, on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're in, tap the magnifying glass icon to access the search bar. Now here's where it gets interesting. To find old tweets, you need to enter both the username and the date range into the search bar. Let's walk through it. Start by typing in the username of the account you want to search. For example, let's say we're looking for tweets from the user at example user. Enter their username, and when it pops up, you'll know it's correct. Next, after the username, add a space, then type in the specific date range you want to search. To do this, use the format since for the start date. For example, if you want tweets from January 10th, 2022, you'd type since 2022-01-10. Then, add a space and type until. For the end date, let's say we want tweets up until May 12th, 2022. You would enter until 2022-05-12. Just a quick note. Be sure to include since before the start date and until before the end date. These keywords are important for narrowing down the results. Once everything is entered correctly, hit search and you'll see all the tweets from that user between the dates you specified. It's as simple as that. So there you have it. Now you can easily search for old tweets on Twitter by date. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tips. Thanks for watching.